Hey guys, Nick Miller today from Mark Supply Company. Today I'm going to have for you a 2020 Kubota BX23S subcompact tractor loader backhoe package. This tractor has just 148 hours on it. It is in beautiful, beautiful condition. This tractor has a lot of nice features on it. BT603 subframe mount style backhoe, LA 340 swift attach, quick attach loader on the front of it. It does have the 12-inch bucket. It does have the 2-position Kubota OEM factory mechanical thumb. R4 tires. It is going to come with a brand new spare 9-inch bucket, I believe that is. Guys, very clean, very nice, all original tractor. We're going to start here underneath the hood. We're going to take you completely around this tractor. Under the hood of this tractor is going to be powered by a Kubota 3-cylinder D902 3-cylinder diesel engine. Starts and runs excellent. There is no abnormal noise, smoke, blow-by, anything of that nature, guys. We've done a complete and full service. That is both fuel filters, air, engine oil, hydraulic filter have all been changed. It is 100% ready to go to work. That is what we do here. Like nice clean stuff, and this is a nice piece to have and sell. So up front, you're going to see your smooth cutting edge up there. Bucket's in beautiful condition. Normal paint scratches. Other than that, very, very nice. R4 tires all match. Front's going to be 75, rear's going to be 85% plus. Always underestimate rather than overestimate, unlike a lot of people. Backhoe in the back, guys, very, very nice. Again, does have your 2-position mechanical thumb. 12-inch bucket's in very nice shape. There's one little ding here on this side plate. I do believe he must have grabbed a rock or something there. But other than that, I just wanted to point that out. Fold down stabilizers, obviously, does have the 2 LED lights mounted on the roll bar. This is going to have the PTO, obviously, mid and rear PTO engagement. You have your cubby hole over here for your storage of different pins and whatnot. This is 3-point hitch kit ready. If you need a 3-point hitch kit, we can get one for you. It will be an extra cost. The tractor loader backhoes never come with the 3-point hitch standard. They were an option, but this is easily to put on. We're going to show you here, up and down for the 3-point if you have it on. 4-wheel drive in and out, high-low range, joystick loader control. Over here is your dash, 148 hours. All the lights, turn signals, everything works. Go over your throttle, forward and reverse throttle pedal, brake, and parking brake lock. Guys, on these seats, that is one thing everybody struggles with. It's not that hard. All you're going to do, take this seat, you're going to rotate him around like that. It's going to latch fast, okay? When you go to reverse that action, you're just going to do the same exact thing that I just done. Basically just bring him right around, and it is going to latch down in place. That's all there is to that, guys. Very, very easy. I'm going to fire this tractor up. We're going to run it around, show it does everything it's supposed to do. Here we go. So again, the BX23S is a very, very popular tractor loader backhoe. We are struggling right now to find good clean ones. They're just not out there. We just showed you there 4-wheel drive works the way it's supposed to. Now we're going to go to high range. Power steering, tilt wheel. So, all I have to do now is I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to rotate this around, lock it in place. I'm going to go ahead, hop up on here. So, obviously I'm a bigger guy, and you can see I fit on here just fine. You're going to have your little LED lights here. smooth it is. Picks itself right up. Obviously, we can move ourselves. Excellent hydraulic power. Took our outriggers back up. Then we're going to show you all about the locking pins. Go ahead, set that down. Swivel pin goes in here, and then our locking pin goes in there. That's all there is to that. We're going to go ahead and dismount the machine. Throttle back down. We're going to swivel our seat back around and bring it back down, make sure it latches. There you can see everything works, guys. You got lights back here. We have LED light over here. Just shut them off. So, tilt steering wheel, guys. Very, very nice. Very clean tractor. Yes, it's 100% ready to go to work. That's why we take the time, clean, go through, service stuff, detail it. It is ready to go to work. It's greased. Guys, you got any questions, 814-658-3066. Please check out our website, www.marksupplyco.com. As always, thank you very much for checking out Mark Supply Company. Have a great day.